Good morning, everybody. Today's adventure brings us back to Surfside Beach, where we're going to check on the construction, give you an update of the Surfside Beach Pier. Stay tuned. Okay, so here is the parking lot that we continue to see as we drive by, that's barricaded up with all the supplies. Right here across the street from, we're actually in what they're calling the Surfside Beach Dining District. You have all kind of restaurants and food establishments, like the River City Cafe right there, all within walking distance of this new Surfside Beach Pier. Let's head out toward the ocean a little bit. Here's your rentals and residential. If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to keep up with what's going on around the beach each week with new videos, so you can keep beaching. So we've made our way between the River City Cafe and the pier here. They're getting a lot of siding done. And of course, the sun's going to be right in our eyes. So like I said, we're right beside the River City Cafe here in Surfside Beach. And I had to take my shoes off to walk on this thick sand. We'll make our way around on the left side here. So this morning, right at 9 o'clock, a few minutes after, and it's 72 degrees. It's a little warm for this time of year. I know they had a few issues with some kind of construction permits, but I think it's supposed to still be on time, completed on time. I think on time now is still in March, maybe, I'm not sure. Being this early, it's still misty. We won't be able to make it around the front there like we had before. See if we can make our way to the other side of the pier. And being so unseasonably warm this morning, I have on shorts, as you can tell. You can't even see Myrtle Beach from here. It's so misty and foggy. So you know the pier held up to Hurricane Ian because this is the new storm surge protection. But it looks like they're trying to put the dunes back into place from where the hurricane took them away. Just remember, it's always important to keep off the dunes when you come to the beach. And this is where they used to be. Here's your Pizza Hyena, Gracious Pig, Chimichamalama, Bubba's Fish Shack, and they're working on Neil and Pam's. Let's see if we can get up kind of close to these concrete steps. Now, usually steps like this are found on the pyramids, and they're still here after 5,000 years. Maybe the pier will be too. So it looks like all the items that were down here are put on the pier. So we'll make our way onto the ocean on this side through the Surfside Beach Ocean Front Hotel. Oh, it looks like they're doing yoga out here. Now that the clouds are moving away from the sun, you can feel the heat coming on now. So it was 71 when we got here. It's probably about 73 right now. And it's early Saturday morning. And since it's all season, you don't have to pay to park. So you can come out here and do yoga right here, right by the ocean. Or you can sit on one of these walkovers and enjoy the view. Look at all this twisted, mangled metal. And I do believe Painter's Ice Cream, I read the other day, that was coming to the Surfside Beach Pier here, which will make a fine addition to the dining district where you can get you something to eat and then get you some good old ice cream on the pier. And that way is Garden City and Murrells Inlet. A lot of people coming to admire the pier and the ocean itself. Look, there's a lot of people who love people around here. Some massive concrete pillars right here. Tide's coming in. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this little video around the Surfside Beach Pier and the construction update. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.